Guys, here is the best toy in the toy chest right now. So we got a E30 318, or at least that's what it started its life out as. But this car's already had 3 or 4 years worth of work, and we'll just do a quick overview of that right now. So yeah guys, as you can tell from that wee montage there, she's been beefed up a little. 2Jz in her like 3-ish years ago. So it's got a big single turbo. Could definitely be bigger, but it's enough for this right now. But we're just sort of on to the next stage of it, which is going to be, we have got this wide body kit. It's ABS plastic, it's not the big fancy metal one, because I don't have the money for that. But yeah, I've mocked it up prior. I've done a couple of wee things that I cut, like the arch and stuff. And yeah, I've done a bit of work at on that rear side, but I don't know if that's the path that I want to go with it. I think I kind of messed that side up. But I'm just going to do a video on how, maybe not how it goes on, but how I'm going to put it on. And then just see how it goes, you know. Let's say I'm just gonna get it all mocked up and yeah, just try to do a wee step-by-step video on how I'm gonna do this, and then maybe just, well, see how it turns out, I guess. Well, let's go. So at first we were going to pilot drill all of this, but we came up with another idea. We're just going to self-tap all of this on here, and then it will show us also the fitment too. And it's going to pre-drill all of the holes for our inserts. So let's see how that goes. Okay, next. Get these in the middle. I'm getting them in the middle. Built different. It actually looks not too bad for the self-tap. Leave a self-tap. Who'd have thought that some self-lath roofing screws would be the future of body work? Look, he's been giving me it tight because it's not center.
That's center.
Center my arse.
That is perfect.
I think you need to get the big man some spectacles. What's up with it?
Oh, we've got a problem here. We have to do a little notch down here, take some out, get a bit better fitment here. So we take this piece out here, we come in, that's going to make this come in a lot nicer, then this bit's going to follow the line nice.
Right, okay.
Then we'll work up.
Get the
here.
fucking power tools out.
We'll work.
Right, so we got this all screwed up, ready to go. Come have a look. Looks fucking dynamite. I mean, it looks dynamite. So, look at that. And then up the bottom, we got that all up to line up pretty nice. That was pretty tricky, but Dave cut out some of the kit there, if you can see that. Cut out some of that, and then it kind of pulled that in way better than it was. But right now, we've got some metal here.
Got some flat bar.
We got some flat bar. Went to Home Depot, got some of this, 1/2 inch by whatever. And then we're going to make a couple of tabs to hold that all together pretty much and out. But yeah, let's get cutting. So we figured out we need to make four 4-inch and 4 2-inch flat bar cuts, I guess.
Alright, so over here we're going to put some tabs in. This is where the side skirt meets the rear quarter. So we'll join them two nice. This one here, we're going to do one back here also for the rear of the quarter here. And then we're going to do 2 more up there. Just to hold the bottom of the body work.
And the side skirt and the body panel all flush.
All flush, straight and solid.
And true. So that's that. Right, so Dave got them tabs finished up. One there, and then there's 2 up there. It's all got seam sealer on it. So then that's going to be pretty much the carriers for the side skirts now, and then we'll just screw up into them on the same and then it gives us a place so that we can actually match these up perfect. Right, so you can see this is where all our holes on the kit are. Well, there's 2 there, so it's going to be a gamble. We'll need to figure out which one. But we've got pretty much all the holes. Now I just need to drill them out. I've got my drill bit. Insert this wee thing. Use that fancy tool and then get her on. Right, so we don't have the right tool. Well, we've got this, the gun for this insert thing, but typical, we don't have the right size. So what we're doing, just put a wee bit of sealer on here. Squeeze her on there, that was probably a bit much. Squeeze her in. I've got some prep spray to take that off. But you can actually do a wee trick here. Let me just get my spanner. Put that on there. So we'll just sort of thread that in that wee thing a little. Right till she bites. And then grab onto that. And there. Take that out. Now we got ourselves perfect wee thing to screw into. Right, so I've got the wee rivet things. I don't know what they're called. But yeah, I've got them all in there. Inserts. Not inserts. So yeah, got them all on. And I still have to do millions more, so there's not much more to see other than this carry on going on, so let's do it. Right, so we've got our line to go to here. This is always the nerve-wracking one, cutting into a perfectly nice body, but needs to happen. This is obviously, we're just going to chop all of this off and then a wee bit extra there. So we'll start with that, and Dave's on it. Pressure's on!
Pressure's on, bud. what we removed, guys.
Look at
That's
that.
That's a lot of weight reduction now. That's heavy.
Look, you can see that's like double. It's like a double skin there. That's obviously from the quarter panel meeting the
weld
arc.
that together.
So yeah, we need to take all that shit, clean it up. All the good stuff. So guys, it's the next day here at the car. Well, it's actually a week, but week a day. We're getting work done. So this is where we're finished. We got all these holes in here. These rivet nuts. Got them all in on this side. Looks pretty. So yeah, just need to finish off this side, get these all drilled out a little bit more to be able to fit that. I just piloted them, like I'm staging it up sorta. So I just need to get these all drilled out this side, get these put in, and then we can get this thing buttoned up, which is going to be good. So let's get to work. Right folks, that is me finally done. I've got these all on this side now. I just have the fun part of putting this kit permanently on, or at least I hope so anyway, but you know how that goes. Right, so this is the next step. I've got my 732 drill bit, this wee thing, and I just need to drill these out a little. Look, I need to get these bigger because they're just piloted with the old self-tapping bit. So drill all these out and then get her fucking on there, baby. So guys, it's finally on. Have a look, see what you think. Look at that. Like, the lighting's not great at all. Let me try to see. Managed to get all that sort of, is pretty neat, you know? There's definitely some fitment issues with some stuff. I don't know why they don't put a fastener there. That's a pain in the arse. But yeah, and on the inside, in these arches, we're gonna figure out something to do up here. But as for the kit getting bolted up and stuff, that's it on. We've got this rear wing, that came with the kit, but it's not the one I'm wanting to put on it, so yeah, we still need to get the rear bumper, the front bumper, and yeah, there's still a hell of a lot of work to do. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it and you maybe took something away from it. I'd actually meant to do a channel before, but I was putting the whole engine in and all that, and I never ended up doing it. So just going to give it another go on chapter 2. So yeah, going to be doing a hell of a lot of work from here. All the primers to get painted back to red. So yeah, give us a like, give us a follow along the journey. See you later guys.